Paul Bart's garage. All right, guys, this is going to be a quick video. I'm just kind of just going to be an information kind of video for you, and show you how I failed on this little install I did. But the materials was really good material, and it's a good company to order from. It just was my mistake. I didn't take my time and try to install it properly, and because of that I messed up. But you know, they're pretty cheap enough to where if you want to buy another part from them, that it's cheap enough to buy if you make a mistake. I should order 2 of them actually, but anyway, it's this Sunvisor right here that goes across, and it's pre-cut. And a lot of people who tint, especially around here, won't do the front windshield for whatever reason. They don't want to do it. But I didn't really have to take my my rear view mirror down, but I did anyway because it's just easier to get to. But I had everything smoothed out on that. I started from the middle and worked that way, and then once I got to right here working this way, I pressed down too hard with my squeegee and put this crease in it, which I probably could have got my heat gun out and stretched it back out and put it back up there. But it was the only blemish I had. The rest of these things right here is just bugs. But you know, if I hadn't done that, it would have, I probably would have had a perfect install. But it was my fault. I got in too big a hurry. But you know, really, it's pre-cut. You don't have to do any cutting. You just basically spray the plastic and you know, move your rear view mirror if you need to for space, and I just laid it up there and squeezed it out. And if I'd have took my time, like I said, I probably could have. And it was like 80 degrees out here, so I didn't have a whole lot of time to try to get it out. I did attempt to, but I had creased it so bad because I got in such a big hurry, you know, being a dummy, and I made that mistake, which, you know, really all I have to do is order another one and just take that down and just redo it. And but anyway, this is the company you get it from, precutautotint.com. If you would, hit them up. It's a really good company. They make a lot of pre-cut tint for your cars. I mean, complete tint job for your car. All I did was order the Sunvisor. They call it the Sunvisor. I guess, you know, you go in there and say, I want the Sunvisor tint portion, you know, pre-cut, and you plug in your vehicle and they send it to you. And it took about 3 to 4 days for me to get it, and it wouldn't be like $20, but that's where they're from. I got it off eBay on their site, and or you can just go to that site and order it without getting on eBay. But that's just what I did. And they, you know, carry tint, different color of tint and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, other than that blemish there, it looks pretty good. You know, I'm gonna get a banner and put up there, and probably cover up with a banner and not worry about trying to fix it. But I'm a perfectionist when it comes to that thing, and that's gonna bother me. And all I see when I look at it's that, you know, that blemish right here that y'all can see in the camera. Anyway, if you're interested in it, it's real easy to install. I just made it worse than it should have been. I didn't take my time and do it, and the way that the instructions say do it, and I got in a big hurry, and I pressed down too hard and I creased it. But anyway, check them out. You know, look at these, look at the prices, look how much it cost. Try to do as much, you know, as you can to your own vehicle. That way it's built, not bought. But if you got the money, you know, go for it. But if you're like me and you buy this stuff and you do it on your own, it just makes you enjoy the car, and you know, it just makes it personally yours, and you're not, more than likely not real quick to want to sell it or get rid of it because you've got an emotional attached to it because you did the work. But anyway, this is Paul Bart's Garage. Hope this is informative to you. Like and subscribe. Peace out. Bye.